Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Today we are going to commence our third online class. Let's start it. Let's start the introduction of number 12 and 13. Which number is this? 12. 1, 2, 12. Okay, now count the ducks. How many ducks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here are 12 ducks. Number is this? 1, 3, 13. Firstly, we have to write here 1. Then we have to write here 3. Now, which number is this? 1, 3, 13. Okay, now count the clouds with me. How many clouds are here? Here are 13 clouds. Count it. 1, 2,